Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to Perfume Vegas. I'm Holly Golightly, and I'm here with my May Scentbird subscription on time for once, sort of on time. I was really freaking out because my scent this month was a limited edition, and last month I was supposed to get a limited edition and it sold out, and so I missed it. But I got in on this one and I'm so excited to try it because it sounds amazing, and the brand, I've heard a lot of people talking about it as a niche brand, and I really wanted to try from that brand. Why am I talking like that? Good question. Okay, so anyway, we have our Scentbird subscription scent, which is this month Tiziana Terenzi Kirkè. So there you go. Tiziana Terenzi, I've heard a lot of people talking about it. A lot of FragCon people talking about this brand. I think it's just her, she's niche and she's supposed to make really beautiful fragrances. So Kirkè sounded really good when I was reading about it on the Scentbird website, and then when I did a little bit more research and was looking up people's reviews and whatnot, it did seem like it was sort of something, it had enough fragrance notes that I liked, but also some that either I normally do gravitate away from or that I just don't look for, to make it something different for me. So I really wanted to try this. I'm so glad that I was able to get this. Tiziana Terenzi Kirkè says is inspired by the goddess Circe's famous enchanted potions, nectarious and mysterious. Tiziana Terenzi Kirkè is infused with a lush bouquet of sweet fruit, including passion fruit, raspberries, and pears. Kirkè's juicy scent is warmed by the sweet, indulgent heliotrope flower and the sensual base of musk. It says it has passion fruit, raspberries, patchouli, and musk. So I love heliotrope, I love patchouli, I love musk, but passion fruit is not usually my vibe, to be honest. Passion fruit is not normally something I go for. So there we have the fragrance. And I'm sitting here just sniffing it. Let me spray it. It's muskier than I expected, it seems. Oh my! Wow. I always am shouting at you guys. Okay, this strong passion fruit. If I didn't know this was passion fruit, I might have guessed apple, because it's kind of juicy and tart. It is really patchouli and really musky though. If you weren't a fan of those scents, this might be a little bit too much for you. Raspberries, yeah, I can see that. There's a tartness here. I'm going to spray it on me. Okay, let the alcohol dry off. Anyway, I'm trying to line up fragrances with the seasons that we're in. So more summery fragrances in the summer months, and then more warmer fragrances or cuddly fragrances in the colder months. So I really wanted this nice fruity fragrance, but still grounded and earthy, because it's not quite spring, but not quite summer. It's in between. All you need is a light jacket. That's April 25th. This is really nice. This is what the full bottle looks like. That's really nice. This is the first one, I think, of all of the ones that I've gotten so far, Scentbirds, that I've thought to myself, maybe I should look into purchasing the full bottle. Again, I'll have to see how I go through with the Scentbird size, but that's super, super nice. It's not dramatic, it's not too crazy, like the blend is not like, there's not too much going on, there's just enough to keep it interesting, but also it's fairly simple. It's really well done, especially that patchouli note is quite heavy. It's really, it seems like it was done with a very heavy hand, but also a very experienced hand. And then, yeah, with the musk base coming up, and you can smell the raspberry through, I can definitely pick that up. The passion fruit note, or like the top kind of sour fruity note, has dried off a little bit, but it's still there. I do get raspberry more than any other kind of fruity scent. So very interesting scent. Definitely going to keep working with this because it's beautiful. It's a little intense, to be honest. I mean, I wasn't expecting it. It's definitely a little intense, and I hope I can get some other fragrances from Tiziana Terenzi to sample in the future, because that's very nice. Very nice. I like it a lot. All right, you guys. I know this was a short one, so I hope you don't mind. I have so much fun sharing my Scentbirds with my Scentbirds. I have so much fun sharing my Scentbird subscriptions with you every month. If you are interested in checking Scentbird out, my link is down below. If you sign up using it, you get free fragrance. I get free fragrance. It's not a sponsored link. It's just an affiliate sharing their goodies with their friends. And I feel like we're all friends here. So if you're interested, do that. And otherwise, I will see you again on the next one. Bye.